Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to remove a WordPress installation on Bluehost. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Bluehost account, then go to the websites page. On this page, you will see all the available WordPress websites on your hosting plan. And next to the website or to the WordPress website that you want to remove the installation on, click on this Manage button. Now jump to the Advanced tab and scroll down to Site Management, and below it you will see Remove WordPress entirely. If you will click on this Remove WordPress, this will stop using WordPress with this website. So click on the button next to it. Here they confirm that removing WordPress will result in the removal of all existing files in your directory. Ensure you have a backup of important data before proceeding. Click on Acknowledge that and click on Remove WordPress. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Click on Acknowledge that and click on Remove WordPress. As you see, removing WordPress from my website name. They are resetting WordPress. Now, let's refresh this page to see what will happen. And this is how to remove a WordPress installation on Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.